If you're experiencing audio desync issues in The Sims 4, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you get your game audio back in sync. Step 1. Check Game Settings. Open The Sims 4 and navigate to the Game Settings. Ensure that the audio settings are configured correctly, including the volume levels for music, sound effects, and voice. Sometimes adjusting these settings can resolve minor desync issues. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Visit the website of your computer's audio hardware manufacturer and download the latest audio drivers. Outdated drivers can cause performance issues, including audio desync. Install the updates and restart your computer. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Origin or Steam, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of your game files. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them, which can help fix audio issues. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using system resources or interfering with the game. This includes voice chat programs, music players, or other games that might affect audio performance. Step 5. Reinstall The Sims 4. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling The Sims 4. This can resolve persistent issues that may not be fixed through other troubleshooting methods. Make sure to back up your saved games before doing this. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve audio desync issues in The Sims 4. Enjoy your gaming experience.